Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming model and Android version because methods differ. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% to avoid interruption. You should remove or back up any removable storage now. If you remember your Google account, you'll use it to regain access. If not, prepare for a factory reset. Start with the simplest route first. Try your usual pattern 3 to 5 times to trigger the account or backup recovery prompts. If the lock persists, use the Google account recovery flow. Enter your account and password because Android links the lock to your profile. This restores access without erasing data. If that fails, you must boot into recovery mode. Power off, then press power and volume keys together for your model to access system recovery. Navigate with volume keys and choose wipe data/factory reset. Confirm the action. This removes the pattern by erasing user data, which is why backups matter. After the reset completes, reboot the system and follow the initial setup. You'll need to sign in with the previously linked Google account to pass factory reset protection, so have those credentials ready. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is available during account verification. If verification blocks you or the device uses manufacturer locks, contact the device maker or an authorized service center and provide proof of ownership. If you still face errors, try OEM recovery tools or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.